Hello and welcome. For ingredients and instructions, see the bottom page. A rich and creamy Italian classic made with Carnaroli risotto, Portobello and Shiitake mushrooms, fresh herbs, and a touch of white wine. Slowly simmered with homemade mushroom stock and finished with Parmigiano Reggiano and butter. This dish delivers deep, earthy flavors and a velvety texture. Perfect for a comforting dinner or an elegant meal for two. Instructions: finely chop the shallots and fresh herbs. In a pot, heat the olive oil and sauté the shallots and herbs until softened. Add the Carnaroli risotto and stir until it is well coated. Deglaze the pot with the white wine over low-medium heat, stirring until the liquid is absorbed. Cut the mushrooms into spoon-sized pieces. Add them to the risotto, stirring to combine and release their flavor. In a separate pot, prepare the mushroom stock. Use the skins and stems removed from the Portobello and Shiitake mushrooms along with the herb stems and onion skins. Simmer for about 30 minutes, then strain. While the risotto is cooking, gradually add the mushroom stock, about 650 milliliters, one ladle at a time. Stir continuously, allowing each addition to absorb before adding more. Keep cooking over medium heat until the rice softens and develops flavor, about 20 minutes total. Season with salt and pepper. After about 15 minutes of cooking, add the grated Parmigiano Reggiano and continue stirring over low-medium heat for 5 minutes until creamy. Remove from the heat and stir in the unsalted butter until melted for extra creaminess. Plate the risotto, garnish with Parmigiano shavings, and serve warm. Like and subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Fork, yeah.